Okay, so this isn't a normal Sunday meal prep video. Andy's cooking eggs. But for the next 3 weeks, I'm going to be basically out and about in 34 different Walmarts.
Yeah.
In the middle of the night, because my team, the company that I work for, is going to be resetting all of the chip aisles. So when you see the aisles change in Walmart, that is because of the company that I work for and the rock star people that we have doing it. Now, it is brutal. It's excruciating. It's exhausting. I personally don't care much for it. But like I said, my team is, they're rock stars. I'm going to be out with them, but it changes the dynamic of our weekly schedule. It changes everything, actually. So instead of doing a normal Sunday meal prep this week, I actually, each week that I knew this was coming, I've been batch cooking as I went, and I did it specifically for the next 3 weeks that are going to happen. So we have frozen, we have red beans, homemade red beans. We have, we have taco soup, we have gumbo, we have chuck roast, we have broccoli and cheddar soup, which I don't really know how Bo's going to do with that one. I have some extra broccoli from this week to throw into that one because I feel like I blended it a little bit too much. But we have that, and we also have spaghetti. I have a few other things, but I don't think that Bo is going to eat that, and I don't think that Andy is going to eat either, like vegetable soup, things like that.
Yeah.
But I cleaned out the outdoor freezer. We've been doing a lot of house reset. Sheets are washed. Laundry is, we're up to date on laundry. Bathrooms are cleaned, things like that. And that is because I know what's happening. I know what's coming, and it's right. So survival mode doesn't necessarily always mean chaos. It means that, maybe planning looks a little bit different, and that's how this looks this week. So the next 3 weeks, what I'm going to show you, it's about systems, not perfection. You're going to see late nights, hotel rooms, things like that. It's going to be a very different version because the work day is changing a little bit. So, but like I said, the house is in order, the food is handled. I have rice, I have pasta, I have things ready to go with these meals, and these will basically, I'll defrost them the night before, then I'm going to take them out. They're going to go in a crock pot, they're going to just reheat on low, and then they'll be ready to go for either Bo or Andy, Bo, and myself. So it's going to be great. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. So basically, things don't stop when life gets busy. You just adjust, and that's what I have been doing is getting ready for this. So I brought you the national season with Ashton. Andy also has cheer tryout season coming up. It's about to happen.
Still have not started.
That's about to happen. So welcome to reset season. It's gonna look just a little bit different, but hang in there with me, okay? So for today, I am gonna make a pasta. I don't know why I've been kind of wanting pasta and like chicken and broccoli and stuff. So
Dang, Max asked where this pasta is.
he did? Really? So I am gonna make that today. We'll eat that for a couple days, and then we have a couple of things left over from the team dinner that we're trying to get rid of. So, and we also were very deliberate this weekend we went out in the sunshine, we were reading.
Self-care,
a lot of self-care this weekend, because we know it's about to happen, because it's not just going to impact me, it's going to impact Bo, and it's going to impact Andy. So, okay, now we're good.
Alright, so I had broccoli left over from Snackle boxes this week, so I'm using that. I'm chopping that just to make it smaller. I had chicken thighs as well, and I'm dicing that up. That is getting seared in the pot on the stove. Now, once you can see the pasta's going, 3 minutes before the pasta is done, put that broccoli in there, let it just cook in with that pasta. Now, what's going on the stove where the chicken was, I removed the chicken. I added garlic, I added butter, I added a whole lemon, the juice of a whole lemon, I added flour, and I'm adding milk. And I added a little bit of pasta water too at the very end. And it ended up coming together. Oh, Parmesan cheese. I already had Parmesan cheese in the fridge, so I added that too. So that's melting in. I added the chicken in. I'm adding the pasta in. And it turned out really great. Don't measure, y'all. Just roll with it. It always ends up being amazing. And look at that. It's gorgeous. It's so good. Great for a Sunday dinner. Clocking out.